What's up? I'm here with another video. As you can see, I didn't do this on film, but I ended up getting Tevin Coleman easily, trading him my center, my Pouncey. But here we go. This week, I've got the Chiefs at home. Hopefully we can do it. Then next week, it looks like we have the Buccaneers. Then I think we have Sunday night football, maybe? We have Sunday or Thursday night football against the Ravens. And then we play against the Falcons at 1 and then the Bengals at 1. Alright. Anyway, let's go. Let's play our second game of the season. If you're asking, I am not going... Well, I'm probably going to play every game, actually. If you don't remember last video, I had the 14-0 win versus the Browns. And then in the second game, if you don't remember the last video, I ended up getting 2 sacks. I traded for Tevin Coleman, not on film. And we're gonna see what we can do against these Chiefs. Let's see if we can put some cheese on that plate.
All right, Coach. EA Sports coverage of the NFL brings us to the steel capital of the world, Pittsburgh, PA, and Heinz Field. Today, after a crazy opening weekend, it's on to week 2, and we've got a good one here between the Kansas City Chiefs and the Pittsburgh Steelers.
And now we've got 0 points all year. So, I mean, I'm going to try to stay that way. Hopefully not giving up too much to our running back or Tyreek Hill and Patrick Mahomes. Alright, here we go. He's in his second career game. He lost last week. Still looking for a first career win.
And then there's one you got to put a timer on, huh? I mean, that one came in hot.
That came in hot, but overthrown, out of his reach and incomplete. Play fake there to Hunt. Now Mahomes.
Throw him down! That's how you do it, Miles.
In there to drop him.
For the 3rd sack of the year by this team, we are on a good pace.
From the gun, it's Mahomes.
Hit him! Oh, he's fumbled! He fumbled! Grab the dang ball. Safety!
Looks like the offense did get the football back, but it is clearly in that end zone, and it's going to be a safety.
Not as good as a touchdown, but I'll take that.
I'm not totally privy to what went on with their offensive meetings, but Charles, something tells me that one wasn't in the play.
Yeah, when we had our production meeting, they didn't exactly share that with us, but I'm pretty sure that on the play sheet, the run backwards into your own end zone play was not written down.
Here we go. Now we're on the field. First game for Tevin Coleman, obviously. We're going to see what we can do.
On 1st and 10, Rudolph. Oh, he's going to air it out right away.
Nice! Oh, come on, Coleman!
Couldn't connect.
Coleman! How did he drop that?
It's always a battle. Who's going to win on 1st down? The offense or the defense? Let's face it, if you've got the ball, 4 yards or more on 1st down is what you're aiming for. They tried to throw for it there. Nice effort to knock that one away and bring that 2nd down.
So a nice job to break the 1 tackle.
4 yards.
After that.
Nice. I'll take that. That sets up some better.
They're now left with 3rd and 6.
Let's see what we can do.
Looking to throw it.
Hit number 1 receiver, Antonio Brown. Nice. This one.
The Steelers picking
Okay,
up 15 yards.
Let's go deep for Jackson. Heave it.
Now a play fake here.
Heave it, Rudolph. Heave it.
He's gonna let this go deep.
Oh, you've got him. You've got him. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Celebrate! 53 yards. Longest touchdown of history.
It's a fake. They'll try and throw for it. Good start to the season for him. He had the touchdown last week in the open.
Alright, here we go. So anyway, he's already at 68 yards. Last game he only had 107. That's a good start.
Not sure he can keep it up for an entire season, but don't burst the bubble because he thinks that he can.
Do guys go into a season with a goal for touchdown scored or yardage? What do you think?
I think every single one of the guys who's going to touch the football, they all have those types of goals. They all have those types of thoughts. And then they just have to see how the season unfolds if they can stay with it.
Unfolding so far so good for him. Mahomes will lead the Chiefs up 1st and 10 at their own 25-yard line.
We got 2 sacks here. We had 2 sacks last week. Get him! Thank you. That'll pretty much end the first quarter there.
The numbers on the ground for Hunt a week ago.
We didn't have
20 carries, 71
We didn't have outbreaking numbers last week.
So I'm eager to see if they decide to back him off a little bit. Personally.
Did they keep that in this place? Oh no, they didn't. Okay, so let's go and blitz him again, maybe. I guess. No, let's just blitz him. Blitz him.
Mahomes gonna hand it off to Hunt. And he'll be brought down right
got
around
12 yards, 2 carries. Not
they
horrible.
get 6 on the pickup. The drive will continue. First down now, but the clock continues to move. Throwing now is Mahomes. Now with the caught by Tyreek Hill. And taking it across midfield and inside the 45. They call it a gain of 19, and it moves the chains. Mahomes
it's
now
free.
on first down.
Yes!
And he'll get it down on the play to the 37th. 7 yards to pick up on the pitch and catch.
Just what I'm
He made that catch knowing full well that at the end of it, he's going to catch a pretty good lick.
I guess if there's anyone on this team that can absorb a pop, it's him. Hunt gets it on the draw from Mahomes. And he gets it down to the 32. And 5 yards on the play there as the drive will continue.
Boy, he does it at a high level, doesn't he? Because when I watch him, I think of his vision. Straight ahead, peripheral. Also has that sense of where holes are going to be before they actually open. I think that helps set him apart from many of the other backs in the league.
On first down, Mahomes throwing the out route and complete. That's Hill. The Chiefs have got the passing game rolling a bit. And another first down.
All that practice time came to fruition on that play. All those timing routes that they worked on through training camp, OTAs, mini camp, and just regular season, they got it done on that one. The out cut, ball was delivered, and picked up the completion.
The tight end Kelsey has it over the middle. And now before this first down play, we're going to get a timeout here. As they get the stoppage with just under 50 seconds remaining in half number 1. A first trip to the red zone for KC.
Alrighty, let's see what we can do. TJ maybe will be after.
Mahomes now to throw. This is caught. Watkins. Now another timeout called for by the offense. As they'll stop it with just the backfield is done.
Here we go. And this will be our last game of the day, so don't touch me, please. It's open. Flip. That's the start to scoring against us.
Touchdown on the season, and the Chiefs are a 2-point conversion away
We're gonna
from
have the worst
tying this
offense in
thing
the
up.
league. We'll have the best defense.
This is blocked. It's picked up a live ball here, remember. But he will not be able to bring this one back, and the extra point attempt unsuccessful.
That'll work.
I know it's easy to kind of shrug off a blocked extra point, but this game is shaping up to be a tight one. The second half, this could prove crucial.
Yeah, we might look back on this one. We'll have to wait and see. And a nice return sets him up pretty good here at the 30-yard line. The Steelers offense now, they get ready to head back on the field. And we'll see how this is played. Offensively, they've got the lead. Not a whole lot of time left. What do you think, Charles?
Well, it's tempting to try and add to your lead, but a mistake there.
Yes! Baby! Let's just celebrate.
Touchdown, Pittsburgh.
Let's go, people.
His
They're breaking their bones out there.
And the Steelers getting a quick strike touchdown. Now Mike Tomlin says, let's go ahead and go for 2. And that'll give them a 2-score lead here, but I'm looking ahead. They just want to hold it for the final moments here this second quarter. They don't want to give up anything on the other side.
16-6.
Because if they don't, they almost have the feel
They
of
squib it.
imposing their will score. And right now, they want to make sure they keep that and carry it into the second half.
Very short kick. This will be taken by one of the young men. And they'll be set up with good field position here.
Who cares? We're just going to prevent on them, boy.
And that's the kind of return you're looking for. To get to that spot on the field, that allows you to do a lot of things on offense.
The Chiefs in good position to start out as they come up 1st and 10. Shotgun snap to Mahomes. And that will be incomplete with a
What a
clock
fart
showing
pass was that?
18 seconds now to go. His favorite target, Travis Kelce, the intended receiver. That'll bring up 2nd down.
The one thing that I've liked defensively is that they've shown him a lot of different looks here in the first half. They come after him, they've sat back. I think that's what you need to do to keep an offense guessing.
And they certainly have kept them on their toes. That's why they haven't had much
That was
success.
nearly a pick.
Another throw on 2nd down, and this
It's
one
incomplete again.
as well.
Let's see what we
Now
do
they face a 3rd and 10 after back-to-back incompletions. Now here's Mahomes. And it's complete to Kelce. And he'll be taken down, but not before he gets into enemy territory. Now a signal and a timeout call, as it comes with 9 seconds to go in this first half of play. Mahomes now 7 of 10 here in this first half, and he's got a
Who really
1st and 10.
cares? 7%.
And again, it's Mahomes. He's got a man
Nope,
wide
they're not
open
going to get a field goal from that.
and brought down.
That's
but
orange.
get it to their 30-yard line.
What did I just
Get a
do?
late timeout as it comes in the waning moments of quarter number 2. So with 1 second left in the half, on is the field goal unit. It'll be a 47-yard attempt from the left hash.
No!
And the kick by Butker is good.
No, he had it.
So due to time constraints, we move you forward in today's broadcast to the beginning of the 3rd quarter.
Alright. See what we can do. Yeah, we're over 200 yards already.
This is fielded a couple yards deep. And the decision to bring it out is going to cost him about 7 yards all told, as he's taken down back shy of the 20. The Steeler offense now with a football first here to begin the 3rd quarter. They have the lead now. They'll be looking for some separation here as we begin the 3rd quarter.
Anyway, that'll pretty much end this video after this play, which is going to be a huge run. Thank you for watching part 2 of Steelers Rebuild, and we'll see you next time.